Hi guys! Happy New Year! It's me again, Christoph Andrew. It's another new unboxing and we have new background for you guys because we have to level up and you will definitely miss my shadow in the background. So we're going to unbox the Sojak Flower Whispering series. This is very timely because we have to know our future or prediction in every Sojak sign that we have. So I'm so excited to share with you this new unboxing. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So this is the 12 boxes of the Zodiac Flower Whispering, the Pop Mart collaboration with Fairy Zoe. So if you watch my previous vlog, I already unboxed two of these figures. If you can see in my background, let me show you the box and the lineup. And from my previous vlog, I unboxed the Sagittarius and the Angel in the Gemini. So they have 12 confirmed figures and one secret. So we are looking for another 10 and the secret at this time. So if we are going to unbox this one at the bottom part because if we are able to get the other figures that we unboxed before like a duplicate, we're going to distash them. I'm not going to tear the foil. I'm just going to show you the two figures and the art card of this box. So let me show you first the artwork of this box. This is very whimsical and very fairy tale vibe. It looks like Zoe has this different vibe of a fairy in a different collaboration with the zodiac sign. I actually want to see the Scorpio from this lineup and the Aquarius and the other devil or the other Gemini, which is the devil. I'm not sure who is the secret in this series. That's why I'm going to find out if we are lucky enough to secure a secret. So let me start unboxing this one now. And let's see if we are able to see the secret or we are going to like the figures in a complete series. So this is the foil. It's very typical Pop Mart packaging. So our first figure now, one, two, three. Oh, we got the one in the cover, which is the Capricorn. I really like the artwork of this one. It shows like there's some shimmery finish in the figure. It's like a tarot card, a reading tarot card for me. So let's see guys how beautiful this Capricorn. So one, two, three. Oh, look how beautiful. This is what I'm talking about, that you really have to see the actual figure guys because you won't appreciate the figure in just in the picture. So it shows here that Capricorn is a mix of a ram and a, I'm not sure if this is the tail of the mermaid or a seal, but if you can see the gradient color of the hair of Zoe here, there's a lot of colors, or maybe this replicates or represent the stars. I really like the horn of the ram because it's a translucent figure or it's a translucent material. I actually like how they incorporate the zodiac sign of the Capricorn here. Very mythical vibe, very whimsical. So this is our first figure for today. So what can you say about the sign of the Capricorn? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with the second box. So I'm so excited to see all the figures, guys. And this one is a quite light figure. So let's see. Let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Oh, we got the Leo. Yeah, nice. I really like the art card. Very cute, very nice illustration. So let me show you our second zodiac sign, the Leo. One, two, three. Oh, I like how beautiful or how popping the colors of the hair of Zoe here. So this is like a flower whispering. So I assume this one is like a sunflower because she's holding a sunflower. But I can't see. Oh, now I understand why the hair of Zoe here is like a bulky orange one because this is like the hair of the lion. If you can see at the back, you can see also the tail of Zoe here. Maybe she looks like a lion witch because of the hat. It's a very nice quality. I can say that it has a good quality and very intricate details. I like the dress of Zoe here. It reminds me of a Mexican outfit. Yeah, it's very nice. If you are a Leo sign, please comment down below. And this is for you. What can you say about the sign of Leo? Please comment down below. Let's go now with our third box. And let's see if we are able to get a secret. I want to see Scorpio, guys. And Libra and Aquarius. I want to see the actual figure because I found those other figures very nice. This one is a very small one. So let me show you first the art card. One, two, three. Oh, the Gemini Angel. I have this one already. So I'm not going to clear the foil of this one. I'm just going to show you the figure. So this is the angel. It incorporates the rose here because it's a flower. And I'm not sure what kind of animal is the Gemini. It looks like a what you call that horse? I forgot the mythical horse. I forgot the horse with the horn. The unicorn. Now I remember. It's the unicorn. Maybe it looks like a unicorn with some wings at the back. Maybe this is the tail of the unicorn. It's a matte finish. The bow and the dress of Zoe here. It's pearlescent. Yeah. So if you are the sign of Gemini, let me know your thoughts about this figure. Let's proceed with our fourth box and we got our first duplicate which is the Gemini Angel. So I want to see the Gemini Devil so that we can pair that one because I believe Gemini has this dual personality. So let's see our fourth figure. One, two, three. Oh, the Aries one. So let's see. One, two, three. The Ram. I'm not sure if this one is Ram as well, but it looks like a seal. So maybe this one is the Ram. If you can see, the horn of the Ram has this beautiful flowers. The color of Zoe here is very pastel. There's some details on the skirt. It's like a leaves. And this one is just so simple, very pastel color. Not my favorites, but if you are an Aries sign, let me know your thought about your sign. Please comment down below. Let's go now with our next box and let's see who's our next zodiac sign to unveil. The foil and the art card. One, two, three. Oh, my sign, the Sagittarius. I have this one already, so I'm going to put this one back. And let me show you my sign, which is the Sagittarius. I'm actually not a fan of my sign here in this figure because it's so simple. But what the good thing about this one is the hair of the Sagittarius. It's a pearlescent finish. It looks like it's a white horse with some. I'm not sure if this is incorporated with the orchids. I believe this is the orchid flower as a hair clip of Zoe here. A very simple one. Not my favorite actually, even though it's my sign. But if you are a sign of Sagittarius as well, let me know your thoughts about this figure. And we are almost halfway through, and this is our sixth box. And let me unbox now this one for you. And let's see if we are able to secure a secret. But this one is a very small one, very light figure. So this is the art card of our six figure. One, two, three. And we got the Gemini, which is the devil, the pair of the angel. So let me show you the figure itself. So one, two, three. Oh, wow. Wow. I actually like this one. I like that they put some neon colors with the devil here. If you can see at the back, it's like a bat wings with some sort of neon colors. I like the color combination of this one. It pops up. Very nice one. I like a colorful figure. The hair or the head of Zoe here, it's a midnight blue finish. It's like there's a lot of stars going on in the midnight. I like that he looks like, I'm not sure if he or she looks like a young sailor here. I really like this one. Actually, this is one of my favorites so far. So what can you say about the Gemini Devil, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our seventh box. So let me just give you a recap first. So we got the Leo, we got the Sagittarius, the two Gemini, the Devil and the Angel. Uh-huh. We have the Capricorn. No, I'm sorry, this is Scorpio. So we got the Gemini, the Devil. We got the Capricorn, and we got the Aries. So we're still looking for Pisces, Libra, Scorpio, Taurus, Cancer, and Aquarius, and the secret. So let's see our seventh figure. I guess we can open now this one in the foil because we already unboxed the two duplicates that I have. So let's see. This is the exciting part now, guys, because we're not going to show you the art card first, and we're going to unveil or unbox the figure. Our seventh figure. One, two, three. Oh, the Scorpio! This one is so nice. I like the translucent, oh no, I mean, the iridescent color of the claws of the scorpion, the head, the tail of the scorpion. It's very nice. This one incorporated with the lotus flower because she is sitting on the lotus flower and there's some lotus flower on the hair. Very nice one. I actually like this one. The Gemini Devil and the horn of the Scorpio looks the same. They are look good together, guys. I like their finishing. I like the color combination. This is one of my favorites so far again. Let me show you the art card. So this is the Scorpio. If you are a sign of the Scorpio, guys, let me know your thoughts. Please comment down below. Let's go now with our 8 box. And let me show you the figure now. I keep on opening the box at the bottom part because, again, let's keep the box in a good condition. So this one is a very small one again. So let's see. Our 8 figure. One, two, three. Oh, who is this lady? Oh, maybe this one is a Libra because this is like a crab on the head as a headpiece of Zoe. Let me show you the art card so that we can check it properly. Yeah, no, sorry. This is Cancer. I'm not so familiar with the signs. So this is Cancer. There's some iridescent finish on the crab and even on the hair of Zoe. It looks like some tentacles of the crab, guys. Very nice one. You can see the face of the crab here on the head. I like also the finish of this one. I'm not just so sure with what flower they incorporated with Zoe here. but it looks like a lotus as well. Lotus flower. Very nice one. It's so colorful. I like the color combination. Very simple one. What can you say about the Cancer, guys? Are you the sign of this one? Please let me know. Four boxes left, and this is our ninth box. Alright, 2, 4, 6, 8. Also, this is our ninth box. We're still missing Pisces, Libra, Taurus, and Aquarius. This one is light again, light figure. I'm not sure who's the secret here, guys. I hope we'll able to get a secret. Our ninth figure, I saw some yellow. As a spoiler, I'm not sure it's this. Who has the some yellow? Oh, maybe this is Taurus. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, who is this? Oh yeah, I'm right. This is Taurus. Let me show you the art card first. We got Taurus, and Taurus is like a bride here because she has this a translucent or transparent veil at the back as a headpiece. I like the golden horns. I like the translucent finish of the dress of Zoe here. It looks like they incorporated a sakura flower. Very nice one. I just noticed that there are some sign of the zodiac on their feet. Let me check the other one. Hmm, I'm not sure if this is the sign, but yeah, I'm not just so fan of this one. I like better the others. But what can you say about Taurus, guys? Maybe you like this one and you are a Taurus sign. Let me know your thought. Our 10th box, and let's see our 10th figure. This one is a very light one. So if this is a light figure, maybe we will get the Pisces or the Aquarius because it looks like the secret is a heavy one. I have some I have other two boxes left here. One is quite full. So let's see. Let me open this one first. Our 10th figure. One, two, three. Oh, the Pisces, the mermaid. This one is so beautiful as well. I like the iridescent finish of the tail. Very pink. It's a combination of pink and orange. It's a nice mermaid. She has this headband with a lot of stars and moon. It looks like the hair of Zoe here is like a sprouting buds of a rose. I'm not sure about it, but you can see that the buds of the rose is trying to pop up now. I like the scales of Zoe here or the fins. It's transparent, and the dress of or the veil or the shawl of Zoe here is pearlescent finish. Very nice one. So we got the Pisces, guys. What can you say about this figure? Are you the sign of Pisces? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. We are down to our last two boxes. We have this full box and we have this light box. So let me unbox the full one as our finale. So let's see our 11th figure. Which one we are missing, guys? Let me check again. We're still looking for Aquarius and Libra, right? We're still missing Libra and Aquarius. So let's see our 11th figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got the Aquarius. I like this one. This one is so nice. Very beautiful figure. Okay, let me show you the art card. We got Aquarius. And look how beautiful the details of this figure, guys. There's some vase on the head and some dripping translucent water. I'm not sure if he or she is holding this translucent animal or fish. And she has this golden shoal or accent on the neck. I like the color of this one, very Aquarius. He's like a male mermaid. I like the translucent figure or material that they use with the tail of the mermaid. And we got two mermaids, by the way. They are paired together. And I like this one actually. One of my top favorites from this lineup. Maybe the flower that I incorporated with this one is a lily flower. I like this one. This one is so nice. Very cute figure. Hmm. Are you the sign of Aquarius, guys? Let me know your thoughts and give me your comments down below. So guys, our last figure, and we are missing Libra. Hmm, I'm not sure. Maybe this is Libra or a secret. Well, it's okay to complete the series. So let's see if this is Libra or a secret. Oh, and we dropped the card as, as a spoiler, and we got the Libra. And we don't have a secret. So 1, 2, 3, the Libra as a finale. Very nice. She looks like a fairy godmother here. I believe they incorporate the flower of a Malaysian mom. Maybe this one is a Malaysian mom, guys. I like the skirt. She looks like a ballerina. This one is a transparent figure. I like the ombre hair. Ombre ombre hair. Like it's pink to yellow. A very nice one. It's a balayage type of hair. Oh, guys. Unfortunately, we didn't get the secret, but we complete the series. So this is the Libra sign. What is your thought about this one? If you are the sign of Libra, let me know your thoughts. It looks like she is holding something, but why it's not included here? Oh, it's inside of this plastic. That's why you have to double check everything, guys, before this dashing everything. So she is holding this. It looks like she is balancing something. I'm not just sure how she's going to hold this one. Oops. Maybe like this only. Let me put all together. Yeah. So she is holding this balancing scale. These other two. Actually cute. But you have to be careful because you might miss this two small figure or small inclusion. This one is our finale. Let me know your thoughts. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, which is the Zodiac Flower Whispering of Zoe, a collaboration of Pop Mart and Zoe Fairy Zoe. So if you can see, they are so mythical, and I really like all the collections. Unfortunately, we are unable to get the secret, but I'm so happy to complete the set. And the first line are my top favorites from this lineup. And the second one and the third one are my least favorites. If you have other favorites, aside from what I chose, you can comment it down below. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And also, if you're still not my subscriber, guys, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, thanks so much and Happy New Year! Bye!